Hello from Bush Support. In this video, we show you how to solve problems that you may have when connecting a device to your television via HDMI. These tips are useful for scenarios where your TV has no signal or the screen is flickering when viewing an HDMI source. Firstly, check the device is secure in the HDMI port. Once secure, change the input source on the TV to the correct HDMI source. Next, check that the external device is powered on. If it still shows no signal when powered on, try a power reset on both devices. Please refer to your HDMI device's user manual on how to do this. To power reset your television, turn off your TV and unplug the socket. Locate the power button on the TV and hold down the power button for 15 seconds. Wait for 10 seconds before plugging the TV back in and switching on the power. You may want to try a first-time installation on the TV. This varies by the model. If you are unsure on the steps, then consult the user manual or contact the support team. You can also check the picture settings of the device with another TV. If it works with another TV, try adjusting the resolution rate and picture settings and then connect back up to your TV. If it still does not show signal, try using an alternative HDMI cable or a different HDMI port on your TV to establish a connection. If your screen is flickering, enter the settings menu on the external device and adjust the display settings. For games consoles, you can usually adjust the refresh rate and resolution. Try different settings until the image has improved. Finally, if the screen flicker has not improved, you may need to turn off Auto Low Latency mode. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.